Hi, it's Celine. This is the demonstration of the heart-focused breathing technique, and if you're looking at the slides, it's related to slide 27 in week 2. And what we're going to do is build on what we did the week before. And in the first week, what I wanted you to do really was just to correct your breathing pattern so that we could lay the foundations to do this heart-focused breathing. So I'm going to stand up here and demonstrate a bit about what we did last week, which was just correct breathing. And it's not really an official technique, it's just about solving how you breathe. So what we did last week was we just focused on the belly going in and out, making sure the shoulders, nothing was moving up in the shoulders. So it was like a muscle isolation test where we went like this. As I said, keeping these still. And so what we did was we gradually built up to in for 5 and out for 5. So breathing in for 5 and out for 5. And in for 5 and out for 5. And in for 5 and out for 5. And you notice as you breathe in, your stomach goes out. And as you breathe out, your stomach goes in. So that was week 1. So what I'm going to teach you now with the heart-focused breathing is this extra element is not actually in your guidebook. And I have found that if I can add a tiny bit more so that it becomes easier for you, that's what I've done. So what I want you to do for heart-focused breathing is we're going to be doing in and out, in and out. But what I want to do is when you breathe in, you're making this go out as well as this. So you're pretending the sides are going out. So you're looking from about here down to there. And so when you breathe in, you're making like a big bowl. So you're breathing in. So you're actually expanding your bottom rib cage. You're expanding your diaphragm more. You're getting more air in it, and you're actually moving this. So what I'm trying to get you to do is actually be able to move your rib cage and your breathing apparatus more easily. So let's just do that for a practice. So we're going to breathe in for 5 and out for 5, and pretend, if you can't do it, just imagine you doing it or pretend. So we're breathing in and we're like going out like a big bowl. So breathing in and out. And in and out. And in and out. So you should actually feel some movement here, and possibly it might be a bit sore if you haven't done it before. Okay, so that's the first step. So as you're breathing in, we're making a bigger bowl down the bottom of your breathing apparatus. So the second aspect is, last week when we were doing correct breathing, what we were doing is focusing here, breathing in and out. So what I want you to do is change your focus from here to your heart. Okay, so I'm standing on this side, so this is your heart on this side, obviously. But if I was standing around that way, it would be this way. So I'm standing here so that you can actually see it better. So what I want you to do is when you're breathing in, the air's coming through the heart, and your stomach's going out and it's going into a big bowl. And as you're breathing out, the air's going back out through the heart. So as I said, we're changing the focus from here to here. So let's do this together for 2. So breathing in for 2, breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. So let's do that for 5 now. So breathing in for 5, breathing in and out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. So the point of the exercise, as I said, is we're actually moving more of our breathing apparatus. This and the sides are going out, all there, from there across, all there. And we're keeping everything up here still, and we're shifting the focus from here to here. So we're pretending, if you can't do it or imagine it, pretending the air is coming through the heart. So when we shift the focus from the head to the heart, we're actually starting to repair the heart muscle. And that's part of what this program is about. When you repair, you're actually repairing your heart. And so we're actually feeding it, nourishing it with, to start off with, feeling oxygen and the focus. When you focus on your heart actually starts to get happy. So when you get a happy heart and you're actually breathing in, you can actually feel a smile coming on your face, that you're actually starting to look after your heart. So that's what this heart-focused breathing is all about this week. So happy breathing, and practice as much as you can. And as I said, keep this still, move the stomach in and out, and make it a big bowl this time. Breathing in, breathing out. As I said, this is not actually in your book, so I do hope you listen to the video and record several times what you're doing. So thank you.